Children, I am going to the last section of the quadratic polynomial. And the last section is when you divide a polynomial by another polynomial, you are getting a quotient and remainder. And you know the division algorithm also. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. According to this equation, 4 terms are there, and in which 3 terms are known and 1 term is missing. In such cases, using this formula, how to find the missing polynomial from the given equation? Our formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And before that, I am denoting the letters for each polynomial. Dividend is equal to P of x. Divisor G of x. Quotient Q of x. And remainder R of x. Keep in your mind all these letters, and I am writing the question. The question is like this. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were, and I am writing the quotient and the remainder. Quotient, the letter I told you, q of x. The quotient is x minus 2, and the remainder, I told the letter r of x is negative 2x plus 4. Question, find g of x. So the missing polynomial is g of x. Then what is this? This polynomial is our dividend, that is p of x. Now you don't want to do anything, you don't write a dividend equal to divisor. We can apply these letters only. That is dividend p of x equal to divisor, that we have to find out gx, into quotient q of x plus r of x. Okay, so p of x, you substitute the value of p of x. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. G of x, we have to find out. G of x into q of x is given, x minus 2 plus r of x. R of x equal to negative 2x plus 4. And how to find the third term? Don't make any confusion about this. You have to keep in your memory. First of all, the remainder you have to subtract from p of x. P of x is the biggest polynomial, the dividend. Dividend minus remainder. So here what is the remainder? Remainder is negative 2x plus 4. That you have to minus it. You know the method of minusing an algebraic equation? Yes. Take the additive inverse and add. So our first aim is take p of x and minus remainder. Minus remainder means take the additive inverse of the remainder, then add and see. So this is p of x, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Instead of minusing and taking the additive inverse, negative 2x is plus 2x minus 4. Then first of all add this. Now if you take the additive inverse, the meaning is addition. So x cube, this answer is x cube, then 3 minus 3x square, then x and 2x, that is 3x, minus 4 and 2, this is minus 2. So we got this term. And this is the minusing, the subtracted, we got this polynomial. Among this, you know, g of x into x minus 2 is equal to this. Then what is g of x? G of x equal to that polynomial divided by x minus 2. That polynomial divided by the quotient. Now dividing. So I am writing here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, we got the answer, divided by your quotient, that is x minus 2. Our aim is to find the divisor, that is g of x. Now x cube and x. What we want to multiply with? X square. So x cube minus 2x square. Then minusing, you know, you take the additive inverse and add. So this is cancelled. Here this is the additive inverse. Add it. Minus x square plus 3x minus 2. I told what is the sign here? Same sign you put it here. Now this is x multiplied by x. So minus x square minus into minus plus 2x. Plus 2x. Now you are getting, this is cancelled. Take minus sign, add, you are getting x minus 2. After getting x minus 2, the sign is positive. So here also positive. X minus 2, that is 1. So this is x minus 2, 0 remainder. So what is our g of x? G of x is x square minus x plus 1. And very easy questions. If you write, don't write the full sentence. You have to write p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x. And remember, first you have to minus p of x minus remainder r of x. You are getting a term that divided by your quotient, you are getting the divisor, and that polynomial divided by remainder, divisor, you are getting the quotient, because quotient and divisor are always the product. And look this example and do it. And in your last page of your textbook, some questions are given. That question is simply find out the quotient and the remainder when you are dividing. Okay. So you can apply this formula if any one term is missing. Don't forget this step. Until then, thank you.